Hey, I want to talk to you about the WP Chat app plugin. It's over here. It's free. I'm going to install it. It's by the Ninja team. This is a really great way of adding like a chat bot or a message bot to your website. The difference is though, rather than it just being like an automated stream of message bots or whatever, this will actually now allow messages to go directly to your phone via WhatsApp. So you can start communicating with the user as they're typing on your screen. It's great for levels of interaction. When you go to your WordPress dashboard, WhatsApp will now be there, and we have all accounts, add new account floating widget. I'm just going to click add new account for now. I'm going to now put my number in here. So I'm in the UK, so +44 for the country code. My phone number begins with 0 as my mobile number, but I don't need to put 0 here. So 7790, and I'm now just going to make the rest of the digits up there. I'm going to give this the title of support, and I'm going to have some predefined text like, hi, how can we help? Something like that, okay? Now you have the option for always available online. If you do this, here's now where you can start to mess around with basically, are you available or not? Now this is an option that's only available in the Pro version. If you want the Pro version, I'll just open it up for you here. Here's what the cost is attached to that. It's $25. That's if you want to go for that. I'm just going to leave this to say always available online. The button, this is what appears after they've clicked to start engaging with you. Need help, chat with us. I'm just going to put here, how can we help? Like that. It doesn't change it automatically here, but don't worry about that. You can have button style as in rounded or squared. I'll go with rounded. And for the background color, you can put in your hex color, but I'm just going to go with purple. Let's just put purple in for now, all right? Keep it pretty simple. I'm okay with that. And then we hit publish. Okay, that's now published. However, before we go any further, go back to your all accounts. I often find it doesn't put the account name in. It puts in the title here, but it leaves the account name blank. So I just quickly do a quick edit, and I'm going to put in support again and hit update there. So that is now kind of ready, but we just need to fine tune the look of it. Click on floating widget. And over here now, when you click, you get to pick what accounts you've got. It might be support, engineering, help desk, whatever. So let's just go into support, okay? And when you add them here, if you've got more than one, you can rearrange the order of them. I mean, we've only got one, so we'll leave it as one, okay? We'll then go to design. The widget text, what do you want to say there? So, start a conversation. Well, let's leave it as start a conversation again. Let's just put ... Are you even going to show the widget label? So can you see down here now, we start to have this being presented to us here. Need help, chat with us. So I could get rid of that and just have the circle. I actually do think it's better without. Just have the WhatsApp symbol there. You can now change how the icon looks. Let's go for purple again. And what about the position? Look, I can now start to position it. Now you can just see it below me down here, but I'm now going to rearrange it so you can still see it a little bit more on the screen. So there we go. Right, so this is what it would look like with the label. You can now see that label there. Right, so let's just get rid of that label. Sorry, I was covering it before. So let's get rid of the label. We can rearrange it how we want. These are Pro versions. I'm going to skip that. The team typically replies in a few minutes. Are you going to have another description? Hi, click one of our members below to chat on WhatsApp. Do you want to have a GDPR notice? And you could then put something in here. That's up to you if you want to do that. I'm now going to hit save changes. Quite simple, really, in the way it is set up. And if we go to display settings, you can also decide, are you going to show this on the desktop, the mobile, show on all pages, or are you now going to say exclude it? So show on all pages except maybe the blog page. Maybe. You don't want it to be seen there, so you would get rid of it. Now let's hit save changes. Let's now go over to the settings. And this is where you can now also decide, is this like option for them to chat to you going to be visible in your shop page as well? This is what is so cool about this. So if you've got, say, a single product page, right, this will now be listed above the cart bit, add to cart or checkout, not checkout, add to cart. So maybe you want to give the user the facility to start chatting with you. Maybe they got some questions about the product. It might help the conversion or them purchasing it. Or maybe you don't want to distract them, so you'll leave it at the bottom of the page or somewhere like that. You do also have analytics, but this is all more relevant for when you start to go to the Pro version. So that in itself is kind of done. I'm now just going to purge the cache. And if I now go to the homepage for this fake dummy website that we have, can you see down here? Look, here's the website, right? Okay, it's a fake dummy website, by the way. There we go. So when I now click it, start a conversation. Click one of our members below to start. So if you've got 5 different accounts there, help desk, technical support, billing, whatever, and you've got different people looking after that, all 5 of them will be listed. I then hit that. Now, when you're on the desktop, it's going to say, do you continue to chat? But when you're on the mobile, it will go literally to opening up a WhatsApp message for them to start chatting to you. And I just think for a free plugin, WP Chat app is really, really cool. I think it's so impressive, and it can be branded to your color, and it just sits there nicely. You know, it's nicely animated as well. It's free. What is there not to like? Except liking this, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.